ஹாய், நான் உங்கள் மோத்திஷ் பேசுகிறேன். ஸ்டெப்ஸ்டோன் ப்ரொமோட்டர்ஸோட மேனேஜிங் டைரக்டர். I just want to talk about a project which we have recently completed in Pollachi, 110 villas, and had handed over, and we do services successfully now. I just want to share the journey of this project from the starting, and this project is very close to my heart. This is a project which we developed in 5 acres of land, 110 villas. The type of project is retirement villa. Construction, we are our own engineering team done the construction. This project is very close to my heart. As I said, we bought that property. I think we have registered this property on 23rd March 2017, on the day of my son's birth. So this project is very special to me. No, my son is now 3+ years. Now the running is 3+ years. So this project is very close to my heart. This is the first project of our company outside of Chennai. Okay, we done 85+ projects in and around Chennai, but this is the first project of ours in Pollachi, that's outside of Chennai. And this is the first projects of our Stepstone of 110 villas developed in 5 acres. We have done few villa projects in Chennai of 25 villas, kind of things we have done in 1 acre, 1.5 acres, but in 5 acres of property, this is the first project which is we have done outside of Chennai in Pollachi. So this is no, since it's a first project, we just want to make this project as a landmark project. So we have created an architectural design. Since the project is located in Pollachi, we just want to give a Kerala style of elevation. So we have given sloped tile structure, partially sloped tile and partially flat roof slab. So we want to bring this as a landmark project of Stepstone. See, once we have decided this project, when, see, for example, when we search of this project, when we want to do a retirement home project, we are searching few properties in Coimbatore. So while seeing the property in Coimbatore, I happened to see this property which is located in Pollachi. On seeing this property, I fell in love with this property. The property is awesome. See, in real estate, we'll always say 3 important points to be looked when we see a property. Point number 1 is location, point number 2 location, point number 3 is location. So if the location is right, the property will sell automatically. So like this, when I saw that property, I fell in love with the property. So I decided we'll go ahead with this property. As I said, we have registered this property on 23rd March 2017, and after all the approvals and all these things, we have launched this project on July end at Taj Hotel Taj, Chennai. We have just launched this project at Hotel Taj. We have sold 50% of villas on 3 days. On the launch of 3 days, we have sold 50% of villas. At that time, market was struggling to sell. Market was not as that good actually, but at that time we could able to sell 50% of villas on the 3 days. This is really a great achievement, and we have to our sincere gratitude at this juncture for all our clients who trusted us and gave opportunity, and hope we have satisfied them. We have handed over them all the villas, and now all clients are staying happily in the property. So see, after successful launch, we are very happy. Parallelly, at our site, the construction for compound wall, infrastructure, arch and everything is going on there. So I just visited myself to the property during after launch, August or September. I just visiting the property. When I'm visiting the property, the climate was awesome. Very chill breeze and no drizzling. The temperature is just perfect. So I felt awesome. I just want, why not we give this same experience to our clients who were booking. Okay, So we thought of constructing in a model villa immediately there, so that those who are booking that villa, they can come and stay, before the project completes, they can come and stay in model house and experience this climate. Okay, we know we enjoyed that climate, so we want to give that experience to our clients also. So I called my engineering team, to design, three model houses. We have three variants of model house, variants of houses, so we want to have a model house for three variants. So my team has came up with the design and all these things. They said we want 75 days to complete, complete this model villa. But I said no, I want in 20-25 days. No, I can't wait for 75 days, almost 3 months. No, then project will start progress, so we want to complete it in 30 days. So we brainstormed with our team, and then we thought we can go for a village type of construction, proper brick wall, and the top roof we will do with thatched roof like kind of things, with interior, modern interior. So within 30 days we can able to complete three model house, with village type villa, and with the interior completed with the contemporary design, with all modern amenities actually. So within 30 days model villa was ready, and now those who are booking, client can come and stay and experience this thing. What more a retirement life needed? A perfect climate, perfect location, away from concrete jungle, surrounded by greenery, a well drizzling and well chill breeze. What more than we required for a retirement life, to cherish a retirement life? So we have decided to complete the model villa, and we completed model villa successfully. So those who are booking, clients, we have given opportunity to come to visit and stay and enjoy this climate, and we ask them to book. Other 50% of bookings we have done through this. And see, any good project, okay, we have finalized the property, we have completed models, we already sold 50%. But any good property, which is to be reached to the client is important. Okay, say I might say I have a good property, but if I'm not marketed well, my good property will not reach the right person. Okay, it should reach the right person so that they can able to buy and enjoy this property. I'm not a person of waiting for an karma marketing, where client will come and see the property. So I will be very active, look for active marketing. So what we done a 360 degree of marketing of this property. Okay, as I said initially, we done 50% of sales because of we done a 360 degree of marketing. We done aerial cam shoot of our property, surrounded, the property which is surrounded by coconut groves, acres of coconut groves. So we just shooted that view, and we have done a 360 degree marketing at Chennai. We have covered BTL activity, ATL activity, FM, TV, all 360 degrees of marketing activities, so that we able to reach our property to the right people, so that right people will buy the right property. And also we make sure that we don't want to miss any customer. So we had a variance of products like cottage, twin villa, independent villa. Okay, like starting from 15 lakhs to 60 lakhs of property we had, so that we do not miss. We had a proper mix of design in the project, so we do not miss any client. So after completing of all this property, you can now I will just show, I will play the completed video, so you can see what is the scenic location of this property. Thank you friends for watching this video. I will keep continue. This is I just want to do as an episode. I keep posting on my Srinivasa Mom's retirement homes project as an episode. I will do a continued video for this after some time. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Hey friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook for regular updates.